วัสดีค่ะ Today I cook less chicken less curry and this is chili พริกแกง
Chili paste.
พริกแกงโอเค
What the hell is even that?
curry
So we got the curry paste and อันนั้นเป็นใบอะไร
ใบมะกรูด I don't know name ใบมะกรูด and this lemon grass
Okay, so we get the curry paste กับอีทำน้ำพริกอันไหนยังไง
แล้วนี่ไง
ที่อีเอาออกที่ปั่นอีใส่อะไร
chili บอกว่าไม่
Oppan Gangnam Style. Ayıkma sözlü bilbeğimin art.
chili onion
Last night I had the strangest dream.
oil
Tinging, stingy, 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 tinging, sting.
Chili, onion, garlic, and oil. Then ใบมะกรูด Then we add in the chicken legs, nice and raw into the nice simmering paste. We mix it all up. We make sure that all the surfaces get covered.
what are you doing
It says spray on flat surfaces.
Emotional, damn it!
sugar and salt
Way they came a long way, traveled down the wrong way.
So the word of the day is
sugar and salt
They ain't find no shell cases, thankful for the cold case, thankful for the.
sugar and salt in Thai is gur for salt. Salt is gur and sugar is namtan.
No shell cases, thankful for the cold case, thankful for the.
โอเค ถึงอีเนียวทำอะไรตอนนี้
ก็จะเอาพริกแกงลง
So she's getting the rest of the chili that she blended up. The garlic, I think she put habanero, some red Thai chilies, some burnt chilies,
less onion
and red onions. All with water, mixed it up. Put it in for the simmer. It's all gonna mix and meld with this raw chicken right now. Oh man, if only you guys can smell this. It is amazing. She cooks it in a giant rice pot because, I don't know.
บอกว่านี่มาทางนี้เดี๋ยวมันเดือดแล้วเราค่อยใส่กะทิโคนัทมิล
So she said once it comes to a boil,
Holy water.
How is that making holy water?
I'm boiling the hell out of it.
we'll add the coconut milk in there. Coconut in Thai is gati.
กะทิ
Kati means coconut in Thai.
โคนัทมิล
Coconut milk in Thai is gati. So แม่มันมีอะไรอยู่ข้างในนี้
paste usually they use the dry red chili and shallot galanga
What the hell is even that?
and red onion and
A few moments later.
garlic and they mix everything in there.
Just kidding. Dogs aren't supposed to eat jelly beans.
So we got like some chicken legs, chicken thighs, chicken feet. The chicken feet got a lot of good flavor in it. Nice umami. Oh man, this is gonna be so good with rice.
That's racist. Your soul. That's racist. Your eyes. That's gay. That's homophobic. That's black. That's racist.
She added a little bit more of the curry paste in there. We're gonna blend it up. So let's get going.
This is bullshit. I'm fast football.
So pai makul is a kaffir lime leaf, and then we also have lemongrass in
The leaves are used in Southeast Asian cuisines.
there. This gives it that fresh flavor to it, nice liminess.
Hurry up!
Very good เป็นยังไง very good
Dop, 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 dop. Yes, 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 yes. Stip, stibbity, dip, stibbity, double, 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 double.
อร่อย
Aloy means delicious in Thai.
Oh, delicious.
So she suspects this to be delicious. อันนี้เป็นอะไรอีเหนียว
ใช่ใช่เยอะ
Chayote. You the curry right now. So in Thai they call this a fak miao. It's called a luk makut, which is a kaffir lime fruit. We also use the leaves as you saw in the paste earlier. And now we blend up the rind of the kaffir fruit in water and we're gonna add it into the curry.
more the coconut milk บอกว่ามันแบบนี้ไหมไม่ใช่
So sauce nampa is fish sauce in Thai. Again, creamy flavor and texture to Thai curry, which makes it unique from Indian curry and most curries of the world. We add coconut milk because it is a thing that grows in Thailand. We got a bunch of coconut trees, so what are you gonna do with it? Make coconut curry, of course, duh. So make sure she gets everything out of the can right there. Oh.
โอเค finish
And she's done. That's it. There you go. You got some red chicken curry.
Mission
Blend some
complete.
chilies, add some kaffir lime leaves and lemongrass, some chayote in there, and just let it simmer.
And
It's in about an
basil.
hour recipe. It costs
Basil.
less than $10. And some fresh Thai basil. Look at that, just to finish it off. You don't want to overcook the basil, so we add it in the end with the coconut milk. And yeah, we just let it simmer and it's gonna be ready. We're gonna see you guys when we plate. Alright, catch you guys in a second.
บอกว่า
Oh, and my aunt also wants to tell you that the basil was grown in our backyard.
beautiful
Yep, she grew it herself. Look at that. Delicious.
A few moments later.
Hey Cop, it's Crazy Hot Mike here today, and my aunt made me some red curry with chicken. There's a little bit of chayote in there, some kaffir lime leaves, a little bit of kaffir lime peel that's blended into the sauce with a little bit of coconut milk, and some chili paste. So, how I would like to start off my curry is I always put a little bit of curry sauce right on there, and then I grab a nice little chicken by the bone. Usually just try to strip the meat out like this. Usually use my chopstick skills to kind of twist and turn until the meat comes off loose with a little bit of skin. Boom, right there. Then I put some of the skin on top with the chicken, and I just cut like a nice little piece of the chayote on top, put it side to side, get a little bit of rice in first. So Get a nice chunk. Mmm. Mmm. That is delicious. My aunt makes some of the best curry in town. And the best thing is, all the ingredients in this pot come out to about 20 bucks. So, if you're in a pinch, you got a lot of people to feed, go with curry. Especially my aunt's curry. So, I'll catch you guys next time. I've been Crazy Hot Mike at Crazy Hot Chicken, and all I have to say is lock on and sawasdee ka.